Hi, I'm Wendy, Senior Legal Executive at Amorys Solicitors. If you're watching this video, congratulations. You may be at the point of seeking legal assistance to purchase your new home. If you've had to go through the rigours of securing a mortgage, then you'll be happy to know that for the time being, you can take a break while we do the legal work. Have you ever seen title deeds? They can look something like this. Fortunately, it's rare for them to be quite so voluminous. They do, however, constitute the history of the property you may be about to buy, so they need to be examined very thoroughly by us so that we can satisfy both you and your bank that you are getting good, marketable title. In this short video, I'll attempt to outline what happens from the time you place a booking deposit on your new home and the all-important date you get the keys. I highly recommend that you download our Amorys Guide to Purchasing Property from our website. You'll find it answers most, if not all, of your questions. You should refer to this as often as you like. In fact, the more the better. So briefly, the process can be broken down into three main stages. First of all, we'll receive a draft contract for sale, which will look something like this, from the vendor solicitor. By this time, you should also have received your mortgage pack from your lender, which looks something like this. You will also have received your letter of offer. So, enthusiastic as you might be, please don't sign anything just yet. We'll advise you before signing your offer letter, which will be done in due course at our office. We may have a number of pre-contract queries which will need to be raised with the vendor solicitor, all of which must be satisfied before the contract is agreed. It's very important for you to be aware that it can take many weeks or even a couple of months to reach this stage, particularly if any problems arise. Stage 2. Signing and exchange of contracts. It's at this time you'll be handing over the balance of your hard-earned deposit. Once we receive the contract signed by the vendor, it is now binding, which means that neither party can pull out of the deal. At this point, we should be able to give you a realistic closing date. This date is never guaranteed, so you'll need to plan your move very carefully, particularly if you're giving notice in rented accommodation. We advise that you allow yourself a minimum of 2 weeks leeway to allow for any delays. At the third and final stage, you'll need to resume your relationship with your bank. You must be certain that you have satisfied all of their requirements before the loan can be drawn down by us. Unfortunately, this is something we can't do for you, and matters such as life policy, home insurance, etc. are extremely important. If these aren't in place in time, then this will contribute to a delay in getting those all-important keys. We recommend you have all of your bank's conditions fulfilled well in advance of the closing date. Of course, this is just a simple outline of the process. My aim is to try and take the mystery out of the legal procedures and to be as clear as possible. Of course, my favourite part of the job is phoning clients to tell them they are the proud owners of their new home. I hope I get a chance to do the same for you. You can contact me via our website, or better still, give me a call, and I'd be delighted to talk to you.